Hello, my friends. Welcome to Tuesdays with Expression on Cardz TV. This is Mary, and if you're not already a subscriber, I hope you'll take a minute and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that little bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Now today we're going to make a pop-out Father's Day card using Elegant Edges, Simply Charmed. We'll be using our Cricut expression. And for our sentiment, we're going to use the Cardz TV Father's Day stamp set. Now, guys, this one is almost gone, so if you're interested in this one, you need to hop on over to my online stamp store, cardztvstamps.blogspot.com, and pick this one up before it's gone. Okay, let's get started on our Father's Day card. For this card, we're going to need a piece of cardstock, and this is cut at 8 inches by 5.5 inches. And we're going to use our Martha Stewart scoreboard, and we're going to score this at 2 inches, 3 inches, 5 inches, and 6 inches. Now we're going to start folding our score lines, and this first fold, we're going to do Mountain Valley. This one's going to be a valley. And use your bone folder or whatever you use to get a good crease. Go ahead and crease that one. Same way on this side. This one's going to be a valley. This is a really quick card, but it makes such a cute presentation. Now our next fold is going to be a mountain fold. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And our card base will be ready. There you go. That's our pop-out card, and this is what it looks like from the top. And this stands up all on its own. We're going to cover the 3 panels on our pop-out card. Now, you can cover these if you'd like to, but they really don't show, so I don't cover mine. But I've used some navy blue cardstock, and I cut this at 1 7/8 by 5 3/8. And then for my pattern paper, I cut this at 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. And this is from Close to My Heart. I'm going to get these adhered together and then get these on the panels on my card. Here's my card base all ready, and I love the blue for a masculine card. And I went ahead and stamped the inside of the back panel, Happy Father's Day, with that Cardz TV Father's Day stamp set. Now, to go on the front, I pulled out Elegant Edges, and I turned over to page 25. I hit Shift and Oblong, cut this oblong out, and then I hit Shift and Shadow and cut this one out. And I cut these at 4 1/4 inches. I used another piece of navy blue for the shadow, and then this pretty lime green for the oblong. And you can see I've gone ahead and stamped a sentiment on here, and that came from the Cardz TV Potpourri stamp set. I just was looking at these colors, and I thought, ooh, that's really dapper for a guy's card. So I stamped I Like Your Style down here. And you'll see what's coming next, and then you'll understand why I put that. But I stamped it with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to put these together, and then just put some adhesive right down the front, and get this adhered to this front panel of my pop-out card. That is looking pretty cool with those blues and that lime green. Next, I wanted to do this cute little shirt and tie in the Simply Charmed cartridge, and that's on page 42. And here it is. I cut a white shirt, and then I used this lime green and white polka dot for the tie. And you can see now why I wanted to put I Like Your Style. That is really dapper, right? Now for the shirt, I cut the background out of white. I cut it at 3 inches. And for the tie, I didn't cut this one. I came over here to layer 1, and cut this tie also at 3 inches, and then on layer 2 I cut the knot for the tie. And the shirt puts little dotted lines so you know where to put the tie, and also it cuts the little collar and it shows you where to put those pieces. And I've got the knot for the tie and the collar pieces on some foam tape to give it some dimension. And then I put the whole thing on some foam tape. I'm going to pull that backing off and get this adhered to the front of the card. Here's my finished Father's Day card, made with the Cricut Expression and the Simply Charmed cartridge and elegant edges. I think it turned out super cute. It's really a dapper card for our dads, right guys? And this card fits perfectly inside an A2 sized envelope, guys. There we go. And when your dad pulls it out, it's going to pop right up. He can sit this on his desk at work or on his nightstand and get to enjoy it. And on the front we've got I Like Your Style from the Cardz TV Potpourri stamp set. We flip it to the back and there's Happy Father's Day from the Father's Day stamp set. And you've got plenty of room to tell your dad how much you love and appreciate him. There we go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget now, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that little bell. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, guys. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.